It is said that the vehicle a person drives is a reflection of their personality. And there's no vehicle to better demonstrate this than a Subaru. It's versatile, responsible, and progressive, and built to last. And genuine Subaru accessories are built to personalize the driving experience for any adventure, big or small. But genuine Subaru accessories provide much more than style and personalization. They provide a level of safety and durability that typical aftermarket accessories can't match. They're designed by a team of Subaru accessories engineers and manufactured to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the Subaru vehicle to help ensure quality, reliability, and value for the road ahead. Extensive testing procedures help ensure that all government standards are met, in addition to Subaru engineering specification and performance targets. From environmental and strength testing to vibration and chemical resistance assessment, all Subaru accessories undergo certified lab trials and computer simulations and are also performed in real-world environments. When it comes to accessories, one size does not fit all. Genuine Subaru accessories are precision engineered using original computer-aided design data for each Subaru model. Genuine Subaru accessories are specifically made for the vehicle they're sold for, which means they fit better, perform better, and last longer than aftermarket editions.
Whether accessories that help to add protection and security, audio upgrades, convenience electronics, or lifestyle accessories by Thule, accessory planning and testing can start 3.5 years before a new Subaru model is introduced. Plus, they're designed in conjunction with the vehicle for precise form, fit, and function.
Genuine Subaru electronic accessories are designed according to the vehicle's original specifications and are fully integrated into Subaru vehicle systems. Wiring and body integrated unit software are pre-arranged during the manufacture of the Subaru vehicle to allow for faster installation and seamless integration of electronic accessories.
Plug-and-play, pre-wired connections help ensure higher performance and robust functionality. Every genuine Subaru audio upgrade accessory is acoustically measured and custom-tuned to provide optimum sound quality.
To help ensure seamless operation and uninterrupted functionality, genuine Subaru accessories are directly incorporated into the vehicle's electrical infrastructure. In addition to environmental testing, electrical and electromagnetic testing is performed to address a variety of concerns, such as short circuit prevention, overcurrent safety, and battery current management. Subaru accessory technology is developed and tested with the vehicle's complex, integrated electrical system in mind, eliminating the possibility of electrical interference to vehicle systems.
For a precise fit and improved durability or compatibility, Subaru engineers are in close collaboration with Thule during the design and development of genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories.
We work hand in hand with the Thule Group and perform a series of tests to help ensure all racks and carriers comply with Subaru unique requirements.
Subaru's commitment to safety is what sets the genuine Subaru trailer hitch apart from aftermarket hitches. The genuine Subaru trailer hitch is designed to attach to the vehicle structure in such a way that it becomes an integrated component, not only for towing, but also from a safety perspective.
It is developed in conjunction with the vehicle and undergoes rigorous testing, as its installation method is an important area to consider when purchasing this type of accessory.
Our trailer hitch is validated to provide optimal clearance, the required strength, and superior safety. They are crash tested with the vehicle as a complete system to verify they do not negatively impact any safety features of the vehicle and to help ensure the vehicle's IIHS rating is maintained. Genuine Subaru protection accessories, including all-weather floor liners, are precision engineered using vehicle CAD data for every trim level of every Subaru model. Unlike typical aftermarket floor liners, genuine Subaru all-weather floor liners are extensively evaluated and undergo a series of functional tests to help ensure a precise fit and to keep genuine Subaru accessories on the leading edge of safety. Genuine Subaru accessories are covered by Subaru's 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Accessories installed after the 336 vehicle warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule carry a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. genuine Subaru accessories can be included in monthly payments for added convenience. When a trusted Subaru certified technician installs a genuine Subaru accessory, it is installed with the same care and precision that goes into the manufacturing of the Subaru vehicle. Subaru technicians receive comprehensive training on every accessory and system in a Subaru vehicle to help ensure a seamless integration every time. Whether looking to preserve and protect, equip for any adventure, or simply increase personal style, value, safety, and security that lasts begins with genuine Subaru accessories.
Your life is your adventure. From daily excursions on the busy highway of life to family weekend getaways on a road less traveled, there's always something to do and somewhere to go. The 3-row Subaru Ascent is just the vehicle to get you there safely, wherever your travels lead you. Make every trip the trip of a lifetime with genuine Subaru accessories and arrive in style and comfort. And even stay connected as you build memories and take on new experiences. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the vehicle. That's why genuine Subaru accessories are backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, or by the original purchaser's lifetime warranty for lifestyle accessories by Thule. Let's take a trip together to see some of the most popular accessories available for the 3-row Subaru Ascent. Help to keep your doors free of dings and dents with the body side molding accessory. These attractive, color-matched moldings coordinate with the styling of the Ascent. Genuine Subaru door edge guards help protect the door edges of your Ascent. Custom fit, stainless steel, and color matched. This accessory provides protection from dings and chips while seamlessly blending into the door design. The Subaru Ascent is equipped to handle life's little bumps in the road, and accessory splash guards help protect its paint finish from stones and road grime. This accessory is subjected to a series of durability tests to help withstand weather and driving conditions and comes in a set of 4. Even when the weather outside isn't the best, you can still let fresh air in. Genuine Subaru side window deflectors are extensively tested and evaluated for water intrusion and designed to complement the shape and appearance of the Ascent's door. Wherever the road may lead you, you need to be prepared for the unexpected. The genuine Subaru cargo tray helps to keep all your gear in place while protecting the cargo area from stains, sand, moisture, dirt, and other messes. When transporting larger cargo, the rear seatback protector offers additional protection against scuffs and scratches to the seatbacks. For added protection, use this accessory in conjunction with the cargo tray. When transporting even larger cargo, add additional protection to the Ascent second row bench or second row captain's chairs. For full coverage and optimal protection, use the rear seatback protector, third row bench, and cargo tray. Compared to typical aftermarket floor mats, our custom-fitted, high-wall designed genuine Subaru all-weather floor liners are engineered to ensure they precisely fit your Subaru Ascent and help protect its carpet from life's little messes, from rain, snow, and sand to dirt, mud, and other spills. All-weather floor liners withstand a series of functional and durability evaluations to help ensure they will not warp, fade, or tear. Keep all your gear and personal belongings securely in place with the genuine Subaru Cargo Net. Use this accessory in 2 ways. Either anchor it to the sides of the cargo area to help prevent shifting from front to back, or lay it across the floor to help keep items from rolling around. As your Subaru Ascent offers true family versatility, the Cargo Net is just as functional and flexible. As you travel the road of life, either a quick trip across town or cross-country on a family adventure, every journey can have its twists and turns. and things can get a little messy. To help keep the back seat of the Ascent nice and tidy, the second row seat cover is custom fit for precise form, fit, and function. The polyester front and polyurethane coated back cover is machine washable, water resistant, and latch accessible, and is available for the second row bench seat or second row captain's chair. Extend the protection of your third row seats with the custom fitted third row seat cover. Travel cups and bottles come in just about every shape and size imaginable. Keep them securely in place with the genuine Subaru cup holder insert. This accessory is designed to replace the stock cup holder base for secure installation and will not interfere with factory illumination if equipped. Developed specifically for the Subaru Ascent, the second row sunshade dulls sun glare so your rear passengers can take a little rest from the road, especially on a long journey. The sunshade also reduces interior temperatures and protects sensitive skin from the sun's UVA and UVB rays. For maximum protection, extend the use of sunshades to the third row. Protect eyes from the unwanted glare and enjoy the convenience of programming home functions. This upgraded accessory integrates 3 backlit HomeLink buttons that can be programmed to operate most garage doors, security gates, home lighting, and more. And it can provide you with the last status of your garage door, either open or closed, if programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication. This popular accessory features an 8-point digital compass to always keep you headed in the right direction. Enhance the auto-dimming mirror experience with the auto-dimming exterior mirrors with approach light. Upon approaching the vehicle or unlocking the doors with the keyless entry system, LED lights included in each exterior mirror illuminates the ground next to and towards the rear of the Ascent to increase visibility. During nighttime driving, this accessory helps to add an element of safety by reducing headlight glare coming from the rear of the vehicle and dims in unison with the auto-dimming interior mirror. The accessory requires the auto-dimming interior mirror or smart auto-dimming interior mirror. Upgrade the interior ambiance of your Ascent with a gentle blue glow. The Footwell Illumination Kit is integrated with the vehicle's light management system to brighten and dim in conjunction with the vehicle's interior lighting. LED lights are securely installed into designated prearranged locations. Further enhance your interior illumination with the LED upgrade. The genuine Subaru accessory is developed and tested to Subaru standards for seamless operation and to help ensure the safety of the vehicle's electrical infrastructure. Upgrade the standard interior map and reading lights with brighter, wider, and crisper LED lighting for improved visibility inside your Subaru Ascent. Make sure the interior temperature is nice and comfortable for life's precious cargo with the remote engine starter. For the Subaru owner who chooses not to subscribe to Subaru Starlink Safety and Security Plus package, the remote engine starter accessory offers the convenience of starting the Ascent to control the vehicle's interior temperature before getting in and getting on the road. The remote engine starter works from up to 400 feet away, depending on obstructions. Make any journey a moving entertainment experience and keep everyone tuned in and charged up. The Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade gives the Ascent an increased level of sound quality. The upgrade includes an amplifier, high-efficiency speakers, and an integrated digital signal processor. With the USB charging ports accessory, you can supply power to your third-row passengers with 2 additional ports, capable of fast charging most personal electronics. Add to the 6 standard USB ports throughout the cabin, the whole family can stay charged and connected. Add to your comfort zone by keeping your mobile device fully charged during your travels without the hassle of any tangled wires. The genuine Subaru wireless charger includes intelligent charging profiles, cell phone battery protection, temperature control technology, and short circuit safeguards. The wireless charger is compatible with all Qi-enabled devices. With the Subaru Ascent, love is bigger than ever. But there may come a time that even 86.5 cubic feet of cargo room isn't enough for the next family adventure. When extra space is needed and a little more towing capacity required, the genuine Subaru trailer hitch can tow up to 5,000 pounds. Subaru's commitment to safety is what sets the genuine Subaru trailer hitch apart from aftermarket add-ons. Our trailer hitch is designed to attach to the vehicle's structure, making it an integrated component of the vehicle for optimal clearance, required strength, and superior safety. The genuine Subaru trailer hitch is also crash tested with the vehicle as a complete system to help ensure the safety features of the vehicle are maintained. The complete trailer hitch requires the hitch and harness for proper operation and safety compliance. When the bike trails are calling, the Thule Hitch Platform Carrier is ideal for transporting mountain bikes or downhill bikes, e-bikes, fat bikes, and bikes with carbon frames. Constructed with aluminum, this platform carrier is designed to fit Subaru 1¼ hitch receivers and fits most 20 to 29-inch wheels with tires up to 5 inches wide. The rack tilts down for easy access to the cargo area and includes locks to secure up to 2 bikes to the carrier and the carrier to the vehicle. Add a crossbar set to add even more cargo carrying capabilities of the Ascent. There are 2 crossbar sets to choose from for the Ascent, depending on your style and preference. The Aero Style Crossbar Set and the Aero Extended Crossbar Set by Thule. Both may be used with genuine Subaru roof attachments and carriers. Hit the road with all the gear you need for all the adventure you want with genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule. The cargo carrier provides 13 cubic feet of lockable storage capacity and features dual side opening for easier loading and unloading from either side of the vehicle. The low-profile, aerodynamic design provides increased garage access without sacrificing box capacity, and the quick grip mounting system allows for an easy, tool-free installation and removal. The Thule cargo carrier is available in an extended version with 17 cubic feet of storage for when you have even more gear to haul. All of the easy-to-use and security features of the cargo carrier are included, but with increased storage capacity. If winding down a waterway is on the horizon, outfit your Ascent with a genuine Subaru Kayak carrier by Thule. The steel and reinforced plastic design genuine Subaru Kayak carrier holds up to 2 kayaks with adjustable padding to help protect them during transport. The dual-position upright carrier angularly mounts a single kayak or allows 2 boats to be vertically mounted. When not in use, the carrier folds flat for increased overhead clearance and improved fuel economy. Securely hold up to 2 stand-up paddleboards up to 34 inches wide with the genuine Subaru Paddleboard carrier by Thule. The telescoping design, steel-reinforced webbing, and improved locking mechanism provide security, and soft weather-resistant padding helps protect your boards during transit. To reach all your gear on the roof of the biggest Subaru ever, you might need a little extra height. Achieve this with ease using the Thule Portable Step. Constructed of heavy-duty steel for sturdiness, the portable step is equipped with rubber bumpers to help prevent wheel scrapes and scuffs. When not in use, the step conveniently folds into a carrying bag for easy storage. Thank you for joining us to see some of the most popular genuine Subaru accessories for the 3-row Subaru Ascent. Keep your Subaru neat and tidy, your family comfortable, and all your gear in place, whether you're on the road or around town. Genuine Subaru accessories are designed for the experience ahead. Make the most of every adventure and keep your Subaru 100% Subaru with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.